Hi there, and welcome to a new MT2 Trading platform tutorial video. On today's occasion, I'll be showing you around a new product we've just launched, Tournaments. MT2 Tournaments allow you to participate in binary options, automated trading competitions, and win money. Participants can register for an accessible fee, set up the trading robots using MT2 Trading, and compete for incredible prizes. Tournaments will run for a certain time period. Once the tournament ends, the prize pool will be distributed amongst the competitors with the highest trading balance in descending order. This is the tournaments page on our website, and as you can see, you'll find here information about how tournaments work and how to win prizes by participating. By scrolling down, you'll find the ongoing, upcoming, and past tournaments divided by 3 tabs. At this moment, we have an ongoing weekly tournament with a prize pool rising over $300 and an entry fee of just $2. A dynamic list of all participants is available for each tournament, arranged in descending order by the amount of virtual balance on their accounts, as well as the prizes according to their position. As long as a tournament takes place, the participants will climb up and down in the ranking, and once the tournament ends, the prize pool will be divided among the participants with the higher virtual balance. On the right hand side of the list, you'll find all the information relevant to that specific tournament. Prize pool, amount of participants, entry fee cost, time left, and date in which the tournament started, as well as when it ends. In order to participate, you just need to select a tournament, pay an entrance fee, and trade on your MT2 Trading platform under the Tournaments tab. Let me show you how it's done. The first step will be to register a new Tournaments account, and to do so, just head to the Sign Up button on the website and click on it. A window will pop up where you just need to enter your login credentials and click on Register. Next, head to your MT2 Trading platform and click on the Tournaments tab. Enter your email address and password and click on Login under the Login tab. And as I have already done in this step, I'll skip it and move directly to the Account tab. As you can see, my account is loaded here, where I can see all the tournaments in which I take part in, either ongoing, upcoming, or in the past. My account is already participating in the ongoing tournament of the week, so I do not need to pay any fee, and the Enter the Tournament button is available for me to click. If you're not yet participating, a Join the Tournament button will be available for you to click. Once you do it, it will redirect you to our website where you can pay for the tournament fee very quickly. Once you enter the tournament, MT2 Trading's main view will be displayed with the tournament ranking and information on the right hand side of the platform, as you can see on screen. All these trades have been placed automatically on my account using the MT2 Auto Connector on MetaTrader 4 platform. The connector has read my indicator signals and placed the trades for me. Participants will be able to trade using any of the signal sources available on MT2 Auto Connector, Manual Connector, or one-click trading. Once the tournament ends, the prizes will be distributed and new ones will be available each week. And that's it. We hope that you have fun with the tournaments and find a good opportunity to make money trading automatically without risking a lot of capital or having to trade on a broker. Best regards from the MT2 Trading Team.